Holly Hanley, and this is Craft Minute by DecoArt. Ever have trouble deciding which color that you should use on a project? Well, I have a little tip for you. I use these little clear sheet protectors, and what I do is I put it over the surface. So, for instance, on this piece that I have in front of me, I want to see what a yellow flower might look like. So what I'm going to do is just take my brush, I'm going to paint over with a little bit of yellow, okay, right onto the sheet protector. So this is a great way to test the colors out before committing. And also too, if you're doing stroke work or want to try something different that you haven't tried before, you can try it on one of these sheet protectors until you master it, and then you can go onto your actual piece. So it's a great way to test things out and something that I use all the time. So now I can see what the yellow looks like in comparison to the pink. All right, happy painting!